Nice friends.
Yeah, that might last, mate. It was good. Oh, Mackenzie and Jazzy here. Yeah, he's soaked.
His chair can take it.
I presume so. Your batteries are running. I forgot to charge it last night. Because obviously it chews up batteries on the grass because it's a lot more. You know, we notice when we ride bikes. You right, Miles?
Alright, well, my hand just stuffed back.
You wouldn't hit an innocent person, would you? That would be a yes. Oh!
Oh, don't wet Scott, that's not...
Oh. This one has a take no prisoners approach. And neither does the sister, that would be right. My son's looking a bit wet. Ah, how's it going? Give me your update from the war. What's the battle situation like?
Good.
Wet?
Yep.
Hasn't Mitchell been hit? Mitchell! Ah,
Oh, what?
give me a situation report. What's it like out there in the trenches? Oh my goodness, you are soaked. I would say that naturally this means you've lost.
No, we haven't actually lost. No!
He's back, and there's probably no batteries left. Mitch is going to charge through and gets absolutely smashed.
Goodbye, Jasmine.
And a few others.
Can I fix my gun?
And Alexis at point blank range. Luckily Alexis, oh no, he's hammered. Oh, he's getting hit every which way.
How was that? How was that?
In military terms, you're in trouble. You are soaked. Doesn't Alexis know what home base is?